I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remember digestive enzymes. Let's start by understanding their fundamental role. Digestive enzymes are special proteins that act as catalysts, speeding up the breakdown of large food molecules like carbohydrates, proteins, and fats into smaller, absorbable units. This process is essential for your body to absorb nutrients and maintain optimal health. We'll explore how these enzymes are categorized and where they primarily function within your digestive system. Next, let's focus on enzymes that break down carbohydrates. Digestion of carbohydrates begins in your mouth with salivary amylase, which starts breaking down starches. This process continues in the small intestine with pancreatic amylase. Further along, enzymes like maltase, sucrase, and lactase, found in the small intestine, break down disaccharides into single sugars like glucose, fructose, and galactose. Remembering these AS endings helps identify their function. Now let's move to protein digestion. This process primarily begins in the stomach, where hydrochloric acid activates pepsin. Pepsin then breaks down proteins into smaller peptide chains. As food moves into the small intestine, the pancreas releases trypsin and chymotrypsin, which continue to break these peptides. Finally, peptidases, located in the small intestine, break the peptides into their smallest units, individual amino acids, ready for absorption. Finally, we'll cover enzymes for fats and nucleic acids. Lipase is the key enzyme for fat digestion, breaking down dietary fats into fatty acids and glycerol. This process starts in the mouth and stomach, but pancreatic lipase in the small intestine does most of the work, aided by bile. For nucleic acids like DNA and RNA, nucleases from the pancreas and small intestine break them down into nucleotides, which are then further processed for absorption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.